Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you really quickly how to hard reset your Nextbook Ares 8A tablet. Okay. Alright, I'm going to show you how to factory hard reset it so that if it's not working correctly or if you forgot your password and can't get into it, you'll be able to start using it again. Alright, so to hard reset it, first thing you got to do is power it off. So make sure it's powered off like this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to hold the volume up and the power button, both of them at the same time. Alright, so let's do that now. Volume up, power button. Continue to hold them until you see a message at the top. There we go. Once you see that, let go. So it's going to go into Android recovery. So here we're going to scroll down with the volume button to wipe data. Factory reset. Here we're going to confirm with the power button. And then here, scroll down once again to yes and confirm with the power button. So you're going to wait until it says data wipe complete. There we go. And then now we're just going to hit the power button to reset, to reboot the tablet. So now we're just going to give it a couple seconds or a minute or so to allow it to completely reboot. Okay, and here we go. The tablet has completely reset itself back to factory condition. So it appears this is the first screen that we get to set it up after you reset it. So now all we have to do is go through all these setups, the setup steps here to get the tablet set up and ready to use again. Alright, so that was just a video on how to factory reset the Nextbook Ares 8A.